So you're going to cover an event for us. That's great. Some things you need to know when thinking about covering events. First, you need to be ready to record the whole speech or the whole event because you don't want to miss any key parts. So make sure that you're always recording on the key parts. That means making sure that there is a red dot blinking. I say that because one time I recorded a wedding and I looked at my camera and it was the daddy-daughter dance, the father-bride dance. And I was like, uh-oh, that light's not on. Well, I was sure I hit record, so let's hope that maybe the light's not supposed to be on. And then the dance ended, and I pressed the record button to stop the recording, and that red light showed up. So I had missed the daddy-daughter dance. I don't want that happening to you. That would be horrible. Remember, you're looking for that red light. Make sure it's recording. Sometimes you get your on and off record switched. So just make sure that red light is there. Think about locations and mic options for good audio. So a lot of times you don't want to be seen. You want to hide out. But remember, you need a good shot. You don't want two heads in front of your shot. So if you can go early and get a good spot. Make sure that it's a place where you have people facing you in the action. And think about what your mic would be picking up from that place too. Do you want some sound from the event? If you do, then make sure your mic is close to, it's going to be omnidirectional, getting some general sound from the event. You don't want it to be near one woman who hollers loudly and then that's all you have on your sound. So be thinking about your location, what you can see from there. Think about, do you need a tripod? Are you going to be staying in the same spot, or will you want to move around? Will you want a monopod? So think about those things. And you'll want to get more than just wide shots. Wide shots are boring. You want some good wide shots to show the whole thing's going on, but then you need to get brave, zoom in there so that we can see the faces and the action. Look for quick interview opportunities. So think about who are key people in the event, what can participants in the event say, and are there some people you can pull aside and just ask them a few quick questions to enhance your package. So it's not just an anchor talking about this event happened, but now we can add a little bit of depth into it where this person was at this event and here's what she said. Be thinking when you're there about what you'll cut and use in the lab. That way it'll make it quicker for editing because you don't want to have to watch through the whole 30-minute event. You'd like to just kind of scrub around and go, oh yeah, this is where that happened, this is where that happened, and be picking out your key shots, key pieces. Make it quick for yourself. So those are my tips on covering events. The more you cover, the better you'll get at it, the better you'll get at being brave with your shots and thinking and getting different angles. So I recommend trying to go to as many events as you can. If the shots aren't good, hey, we'll just use one or two. If they're great, maybe we can make a whole package over it and you'll develop a good portfolio. One other thing I do want to say about covering events is a lot of times you may have a dark event and some of our cameras don't work very well in low light. So you may have to go to manual settings and do some adjustments, and we'll have to work on how to do that and look into how to do that. But just wanted to give you warning. So good luck with your event.